My channel. So today we're going to do another video. This is more like a DIY, easy, quick cosplay, costume type thing. So this year for Christmas, I'm actually trying to do an elf outfit for work and for home, and also for some other activities, a community outreach type thing. So I want to show you guys really quickly how you can do this on a budget, really cheap. So first things first, I actually had these little, at first I was just going to use these little headband type antlers. They're like $4 at Walmart, and at first this is all that I was going to do. But then I found these elf shoes for like $13, I believe, at Walmart, and this is what inspired me for the elf look. So I got these, and then I ended up getting this at Target for $3, which I think it's one of the better type because it has more of the old-fashioned type bell, and it's got much of a better cloth on the inside. So this was it. And then last but not least, the dress outfit. So this is what finished the outfit, and then with some leggings because it's just really cold out. So let's try this on. Let's see how it comes out. All right, we're back. And we're back. So this is the dress with the little slippers, the hat, and the little thing. And then for makeup, I just literally put on some pink blush around my nose, my cheeks, did some really quick freckles, put in some blue contacts, mascara my eyes, and some green eyeshadow. Don't ask why I have that. So yeah, now we're ready to make some toys. So hopefully this helps you guys out. Like I said, it's really simple, really easy, and fun. Fun for the kids, fun for the family, and just fun to be yourself and be out there. Like, it's okay. So maybe the next video, it could be me dressed as an elf out in public and see how people react. So if you would like, subscribe to this channel, comment down below if you think I should do a video like that, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks guys, bye.